So this is what we are going to fix. This was already painted. The carpenters didn't do a great job, so they had to come back and resand this. I mean, we have this on a number of different corners. There's a new product that I haven't used before. I mean, maybe it's not new, it's just new to me. What I'm going to do is use this little thing. Never used it before. I can't remember how much it was. I bought it a while ago for a different job altogether. It's a spray system. Apparently, it might be working good for cars, but I'm gonna see if I can just get it working on the trim. So we also gotta make sure that we mask properly. I use this little masking tool. It's absolutely fabulous. I've been using it for this thing. It's probably like 20 years old. It's a 3M. It's awesome. So this is what it actually produces in the end. Make sure that it's very tight. It's right to the corners. And actually this is the ceiling, so make sure you're masking that away too. Here we go. So I'm trying to use this spray product, this spray can. It doesn't seem to do an excellent job. It's just kind of spitting around. So I think I'm gonna have to pull out my big gun. Yeah, I can't really use this for this job. It's just not doing whatever it's supposed to be doing. Yeah, it's just kind of spitting. Perhaps the paint is too thick or something of that nature. So I would not recommend using this with typical paint oil. Let's see. No, I would not use this. Again, maybe on a car or something like that, but definitely not on the trim paint, not trim application. So my little bottle didn't work. I'm gonna use the Graco Ultimate for this little piece of work. It's a handheld sprayer. It works really good. For this application, I'm gonna use Tip Low Pressure High Finish 212. Thing is awesome. I absolutely love it. We're gonna start just priming this little area, see how it works. Good enough for the first coat. Here we go. That's not bad. Can live with that. For now, for the first coat, probably gonna have to apply 2 or 3 coats for sure. Probably 3. That's what it looks like. Now we got 2 coats of paint on here, on the patches that we were doing, and we're just ready for the final coat. So final coat is gonna go all across everywhere, pretty much, just because there's a little bit of overspray just beyond here, and it is actually not smooth and not glossy. You definitely cannot see it from here, but when you actually run your hand over, you can feel that it's just not good. So final coat all around, all across. When you're spraying something like this, make sure that it's continuous, that you're not doing one side and then the other, because then you're gonna have areas where the paint is going to be applied a little bit heavier in one area than the other, and it might drip. So I'm going to attempt to videotape this. That's all you really need. Just a little bit more. Oh, here we go. Just a tiny bit more. So just to recap, this product, Prevel Sprayer, might be awesome for some other applications. It's just not that great for trim. I had to use my Graco sprayer which is actually fantastic for these kind of applications. Might be good for something different, spraying cars or something, but it's just not that great for trim paint. It might be too heavy for this, or maybe I'm not using it correctly. It just hasn't worked well for me. And here's the final product. Came out pretty good. This one trim, the other door was this window, and this closet trim as well that had to be touched up. But it's all done now. Looks great. Still wet, but I did take out the masking, the paper off, just because I'm in a little bit of a hurry.